How to pin a comment in Facebook post. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in today's video we will learn how we can pin a comment on Facebook post. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch your Facebook application in a mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're on your home page, navigate to top right corner and tap on the profile icon with the three-line icon. Once you're here, again navigate to the settings icon and tap on it. Once you're here, again scroll down and tap on the audience and visibility. There's an option as followers and public content. You have to tap on it. Here, make sure the toggle is turned on that says show most relevant comments first. So make sure to turn on that toggle. Once you have turned it on, then you will be able to pin a comment. Now you have to get back to your profile. Tap on your profile, and once you're on your profile, scroll down and find the post where you want to pin a comment. Once you're on your post, go to the comment section, select the comment that you want to pin, long press the comment, and there you will have an option as a pin comment. Simply tap on it, and then the comment now will be pinned and appear at the top of the comment section. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing.